boy Chedda, man. Loud Crowd Exotics. You know what I'm saying? Loud Crowd Media. We out here. Got the pink thing out here. You know what I'm saying? It's all type of shit out here. We at Eastland. Good Tahoe. What's these 30s over here? This bitch look good. This bitch, right. This bitch so clean. I'm gonna be showing y'all a little bit of footage from here. You know what I mean? Keeping that shit official. But this bitch right here on them Ruchis, look at this motherfucker. This bitch scandalous. Interior on point. You know what I'm saying? That's how you do the old school. That's how you do the oldie. You feel me? That's how you do the oldie. You know what I'm saying? It's all type of flavors out here. I ain't going over that way so they copyright my shit. You know what I mean? All type of flavors. They got the Lowriders over there. The Suburban. Look at this color changing Benz. This bitch so scandalous. Color hitting on that thing. Look at that green. Color hitting on that thing. That motherfucker color hitting. You know what I'm saying? Look like that's a Toledo boy. Toledo niggas came down. It's definitely going down. It's definitely going down. Look at this pretty motherfucker. Wee! Mustang. That motherfucker pretty. Need a little bit minor work to it, but it's flavors out here, you know? Then you got Big Dookie over there. Look at Big Dookie. Ain't shit fucking with Big Dookie. You see that, bitch? You know what I mean? You see Big Dookie over here. Boy clean too. You know what I'm saying? What it do? What it do? This boy got that matte black on there. Follow through. Got the old school over there. What's that? That's 3-wheel right there. 3-wheel motion over there. And the 6.4. SRT. Got some tire stickers on there. This motherfucker right here. I need one of these bitches. That bitch so nice. Nice boy. He came through killing them in the motherfucker. Hilarious. You know what I mean? Fuck them four-wheelers. That bitch skinny. We got some more out here. There's a lot of these Benzes out here I see. I done seen 20 motherfucking Benzes out here. This motherfucker about to come through though. See what this bitch hitting on. That bitch, man. Got that yellow thing. The yellow thing. Got them roaches on there. I see you. The roaches on that boy. In that region. I'm up here at this car show, and them Ohio boys shutting shit down. Ohio boys, they got some shit. They got some shit out here, you know what I'm saying? But you know, ain't shit fucking with Big Duke. I ain't seen nothing yet out here fucking with Big Duke, though. You know what I'm saying? I ain't seen nothing yet fucking with Big Duke. You know what I mean? But it ain't about me. You know what I mean? We gonna give y'all the culture, you know what I'm saying? Definitely smoking good. You know, gotta keep that going. But other than that, for sure. Gonna bring y'all some more good content out here, you know what I'm saying? It's still early, you know? But other than that, it's going down. That bitch so clean. Yeah. On them roaches. Classic Corvette right there. Stingray, you see that boy? You done missed the whole Stingray. God damn. Oh. On Rucci. That boy on the Rucci. This bitch too cold. On them 40s. That boy's sweet. That boy's so sweet. That's your type of whip right there. That boy's sweet. Feel me? Grand National. They got all like type of shit out here, man. Y'all see them lights? Skating. Y'all see him skating? That boy skating on them dubs. Look clean too. Y'all know I ain't even really a box Chevy fan, but he's clean. That bitch scout on them roofs. That bitch cold. Got the floating caps on there. Got the floating caps on there. Got the B. That 392 coming through looking good too though. You know what I'm saying? Got that motherfucker looking good. Okay. Alright. This is my nigga Tony shit. You know what I'm saying?
You need the lights on.
I'm about to say turn the lights on. You know what I mean? Okay, he got the wheel lights in there too. Okay. Ooh, look at that grill. Look at that grill though. Okay. See a nigga coming down. And you got music in this bitch too? You need them screens? Barrel's so clean. That motherfucking nice. That bitch tall. Man, it's going down, y'all. It's going down. We at the car show at Eastland. You know what I'm saying? I'm showing y'all, you know what I mean, what I can show y'all. You feel me? It's going down. A lot of toys out here, a lot of bikes out here. You know what I mean? You just chilling, you feel me? Going down in Detroit, man. On the far east side. I got my man from out of town. My nigga JR. He came from the nap town, you know what I'm saying? Fucking with him. Y'all see the motherfucking shirt, man. You know what I mean? Smoke cannabis. Like I said, go to the website. Lowriders.com. Get that merch, you know what I'm saying? We got different colors, you know what I mean? Fuck with us, you know what I mean? Fuck with us. Alright, you guys. We still out here riding, you know what I'm saying? I'm blowed, looking crazy and shit. You know what I mean? Big Dookie still out here looking wet. You feel me? Still out here, you feel me? About to show some of my guys' cars. Show y'all how they getting down, you know what I'm saying? And all that. You feel me? We're gonna do it just like that. Boy looking good. You know what I'm saying? Big boy. On them big 30s. He on them big 30s. You know what I'm saying? Big boy. We out here. Niggas is riding good, you know?
Move your vehicles now. You're off track. Get off federal property.
Okay. We out here. Police trying to kick us off. You know what I'm saying? They got the Jeep. They got the Jeep. Big Dookie over there looking real good. Them red bottoms. You see them red bottoms?